strive for a success. Now, to present the certificate of recognition to our esteemed guest speaker, may we invite our school principal, our assistant principal, our subject group heads from TBL, Arts and Design, and ABM, and of course, our SPDA President, Dr. Nino Mercado, to join us here on stage.
Let me read the citation first. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 3, Division of Gapan City, Honor Liwag Memorial High School, Bayanihan, Gapan City, awards this plaque of appreciation to, in grateful acknowledgement of her wisdom shared and invaluable services rendered as guest of honor. During the 9th Recognition Day of Honor Liwag Memorial High School, Senior High School, thereby contributing greatly to the success of the event. Given this 11th day of April 2025 at Honor Liwag Memorial High School, Bayanihan, Gapan City, Nueva Ecija. Signed by Master Teacher 2, OYC Assistant Principal 2, Sir Romeo P. Lorido, our Assistant Principal 2, Christopher M. Abate, and our School Principal 2, Madam Noemi O. Williams.
Once again, let us give a round of applause to our guest speaker, Madam Mary Grace C. Carino. Thank you so much, Madam. So after the challenges come the well-deserved rewards. Our school deeply values the hard-earned success of our learners, both in academic and non-academic pursuit. The following awards are presented to the learners who have demonstrated the qualities, virtues, and values that make them truly deserving of this recognition. To present the medals to our academic awardees, may I call on once again our school principal, together with our school principal, subject group head, and of course our esteemed guest speaker, Madam Mary Grace C. Carino, our SPTA President, Dr. Nino Mercado, here on the stage once again.
Let us now welcome the Academic Excellence Awardees from Accountancy, Business, and Management.
Once again, a round of applause to the Academic Excellence Awardees from Accountancy, Business, and Management. Let us start with the ABM Pascioli, headed by Dr. Gershom C. Cabrian. A round of applause, please.
It is my honor, pride, and privilege to present to each and every one of you
the Academic Excellence Awardees from the Accountancy, Business, and Management strand, beginning with ABM 11 Pascioli, my advisory class. To start with, congratulations, students with highest honors, Garcia
Celine Gabriel R. with highest honors.
Watson Hannah Denise G. with highest honors.
Alarcon Denise Janelle M. with high honors. Benitez John Jason B. with high honors. P with high honors. Round of applause, please. Ibarra Maria Pamela P with high honors. Once again, we have Ibarra Maria Pamela P with high honors. Next, we have Manalastas Sheila May P with high honors. A warm round of applause to Nunez Patrice Ann P with high honors. We also have Karumaw Micaela A with high honors. Next we have Perez Elion Bilan A with high honors. Congratulations, Ramirez Samantha May M with high honors. Next, we have Ramos Moira Celine S with high honors. Congratulations, Ramos Mary Claire B with high honors. Next we have Pinawin Precious Dale S with high honors. Then we have Torres Jesus F with high honors. Moving forward, congratulations, Abanyo Rosemary S with honors. Alceso Ferlin Joy B with honors. We also have Alonso Jan Gerald M with honors. Next we have Angeles Lael Leon P with honors. Congratulations, Angeles Simon Beer SJ with honors. Now we have Pauto Jenica PG with honors. Congratulations, Bibuya Rihana Claire C with honors. Next we have De La Cruz Primer Rose S with honors. Congratulations, Lacanin Mariel M with honors. Congratulations, Mactal Kyle Leon L with honors. We also have Mahilaga Chief Joyce Lee with honors. Congratulations, Razon Jill Karen P with honors. Trinidad Jasmine M with honors. Last but not the least, for ABM 11 Pasyoli, we have Yabut Nico Santino J with honors. And for ABM 11 Pasyoli class, thank you for the wonderful year and congratulations.
Once again, congratulations to the Academic Excellence Awardees from ABM 11 Pasyoli. Let us now welcome and give a round of applause to the Academic Excellence Awardees from ABM 11 Cutler, headed by Mrs. Syra Jane P. User.
Good morning, everyone. It is my honor and privilege to present to you the academic awardees from ABM 11 Cutler. To start with, may I call on De La Cruz Julian L. with high honors. Hipolito Alia S.J. with high honors. R with high honors. Aguilar Trisha A with honors. Alacon Angela M with honors. Antonio Giliana Rose F with honors. Azarcon Sia Nathan DR with honors. Bernas Reynalen T with honors. Constantino Jaden Mackenzie M with honors. Talisay Alison B with honors. Guzman Charis M with honors. Jesus Rachel Shane P with honors. Fajardo Ishimei R with honors. Figueroa Jasmine Azumi P with honors. Galardo Ella Corina C with honors. Rania Serlene L with honors. Moving forward, let us call on Ginhawa Jobert B with honors. with honors.